folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Code Grid. So today in this video, we are going to talk about a very realistic topic which has occurred today in Ethereum, which is the merge. Okay, so the merge in Ethereum has successfully happened. So what is merge and how does a merge occur, right? So there are very much questions about merge. People started asking about, well, hey, what is merge? What happens after merge? And what does merge really means? And what is it affect the Ethereum price, right? So it doesn't we doesn't have that much knowledge about cryptocurrencies. I'm not a huge fan of cryptocurrency. I'm a huge fan of the technology which work on cryptocurrency, right? So that technology which works behind the cryptocurrency is Ethereum, right? So there is a merge which has happened in Ethereum on 13th of September, or no, sorry to say 15th of September, and it is around 6:30 p.m. where the merge has happened in India. So what does that merge mean? Okay, so generally Ethereum was working on a proof of work algorithm. As of now, and still of now, the Ethereum has worked very much on proof of work algorithm. Now, what does this proof of work algorithm was, and who is using that proof of work algorithm, right? So imagine Ethereum network as a whole network where nodes, we all know that nodes are us, we who are doing very much transactions on Ethereum, or by using Ether, we are doing transaction on Ethereum network. So imagine those transactions get validated by another people, right? So there is a people who, or there are some certain persons who are known as validator, who validate your transaction, or who who get entry of your transaction in their own ledger. Okay, so for they will not make that entry free of cost. As of now, we are giving them some incentives. So that incentives or that reward is some Ether. Okay, so if you do a transaction in Ethereum network, the another person who is known as validator validate that entry, or make that entry in his own ledger. So for making the entry in his own ledger, Ethereum company gives him some Ether. Okay, the Ether may be 3 Ether or 4 Ether. So as of now, we'll just check. So as of now, I'm talking about live network. Okay, so the price of one Ethereum in Indian money is 1,17,692. So it has appraised as of now. So in morning it was around 1,16,000. As of now it is 1,17,000. So Ethereum price has grown high. It is around by 91% is in upper stage as of now. So you will get something like 3 to 4 ethers. Okay, so we'll get 4 lakh around. Okay, the money is around 4 lakh, or it will touch 5 lakh. Okay, something around that. Okay, so for doing that specific entry, you will get some money like 5 lakh. Okay, for doing a simple entry, you will get 5 lakh. Okay, so isn't it cool, right? So everybody came into that job, and everybody wants now to everybody says, hey, I want to make the entry and I will get some money. I want to make the entry. So the race has started. Okay, so many people came and joined and become as a validator in Ethereum, and they started buying or purchasing higher GPU computers. Okay, so the higher the computer is, or the high CPU or high core your computer is, or the most powerful your computer is, the more chances of you to get some ethers. Okay, so why higher computers are needed? Okay, so the question arises, okay, why does all people started buying higher computers, or they started buying powerful computers of 300 GPU or something, 300 CPU, 300 cores? Okay, that huge computers are used for these purposes. Now, why that much huge computers are used? Okay, so the reason is the Ethereum company doesn't give money by just only making the transaction entry. So to make the transaction entry in your ledger, you need to solve one puzzle. Okay, that puzzle is given by the Ethereum itself. Okay, so if you solve that puzzle successfully in a less time and in a more efficient way, or in a less time complexity algorithm, okay, what is time complexity is another topic which is in a data structure algorithm. So if you know about data structure algorithm, you will just know you have all knowledge about time complexity, right? Okay, cool, we are moving out of the topic as of now, so we'll just get inside the topic. So your solution must be inside the best time complexity, and if your solution is inside the best time complexity, and if you have successfully solved that puzzle, you will get some ethers. Okay, that is the process which is occurring as of now. So many people started buying computers. They buy high computers, they buy computers of 300 core GPU, they buy computers of 1 terabyte, 5 terabyte storage, very high computers they produce, and they take very much electricity as in waste. I will not just say the waste, but they uses very much of electricity. So the amount of electricity, the all miners, okay, those computers are known as miner. Okay, if you ever heard the term miner in Bitcoin or in Ethereum, okay, so that term is known as miner. Okay, now what does that miner do? Okay, so the miner is a computer where all these transactions are being recorded or validated by a specific validator. Okay, so miner are very strong, or miner are very big, huge, complex, and fastest computer as of now in whole world. Okay, so people started buying miner, people started buying more and more computers so that they can get those rewards. Okay, for that people started purchasing more higher computers. So the problem is these higher computers produce a lot of heat. Okay, and that heat and wastage of electricity affects the environment. Okay, so it increases global warming. Also it affects environment by weather forecasting, or by there is a subtle change in weather as of now. If you see in environment, that may be because of minor, or maybe of other reasons also, but minor generally affects the environment. So to save that, Ethereum company has started researching. So hey, what should we can do to prevent the environment, or to solve this problem of environment pollution? So Ethereum came into picture and they announced the merge. So in the merge, as of now, the things I have explained about miners and about that puzzle solving, this all have this all thing came into POW algorithm, proof of work algorithm. This all thing you are going to do in a POW algorithm. So as of now, the upgrade from the original proof of a mechanism to proof of stake mechanism was called merge. Okay, this is what the merge is called. Okay, it doesn't affect, it doesn't related to any some Ethereum price. As of now, Ethereum price is very much high, but it doesn't affect that much to price. Only the proof of work mechanism has been changed. So for now, if you want to become validator, you doesn't need any high power machine, or you doesn't need a miner for that. Okay, so to mine Ethereum, you doesn't need a miner. Okay, as of now, you just need some ethers. So to become a validator in a proof of stake algorithm, you need 32 ethers. The price of 32 ether must be, you can just calculate, 32 lakhs, or it must be 35 lakhs around. Okay, that is what the price for becoming a validator in Ethereum. So if you say I don't have 32 lakh, but I want to become validator in Ethereum and I want to earn some rewards, so for that you can just organize a crowdfunding. A crowdfunding similar to that, a company does a crowdfunding for their own businesses, and in that crowdfunding you can invest your own money in the Ethereum, or you can just buy a ether of 1000 rupees, someone buy ether of 10 rupees, someone buy ether of 50 rupees. That all ether get combined into a single 32 ether, and then you can also participate in that rewarding competition, or you can also get some rewards from Ethereum. Okay, right, cool. So the merge reduced the Ethereum energy consumption by 99.95%. Okay, we have talked about it. There is very much lot of energy consumption, electricity consumption, and it is mostly harming the environment. So Ethereum, the merge reduced the Ethereum energy consumption. Okay, the merge was executed on September 15. Yeah, and completed Ethereum transaction from proof of stake consensus officially. So we doesn't know very much about proof of stake as of now. Okay, we will research about after 1 month, because it is a new technology. It will take some time for the proof of stake to work on Ethereum properly. So after it start working, we will just make a specific another video on what is merge and how it is work. Okay, so the merge was a joining of original execution layer of Ethereum, which is a new proof of stake consensus layer. Okay, you can just read about the merge from going to ethereum.org. It is the official website of Ethereum, where you can just go and learn about merge, what is merge, and how it is work. So you can just see it eliminates the need for energy intensive mining, and instead enable the network to be secured using stacked ETH. It was truly exciting step in realizing that Ethereum vision: more scalability, more security, and more sustainability. Okay, it increases, the merge has increased more scalability, more sustainability, and more security. Okay, in a Ethereum network. So this is the transaction, proof of work get transacted into a proof of stake. Okay, now this is called a mining symbol, and it is environment friendly symbol. Okay, so the beacon chain is there. Initially the beacon chain shifts separately from mainnet. Okay, the beacon chain is there in Ethernet from around its own from beacon chain ran parallel to using proof of stake. Now what does this beacon chain is? Beacon chain is there in Ethereum from 2020, where they introduced the beacon chain. Okay, so it work parallel to the Ethereum, and it validate the user who is using Ethereum. Okay, the Beacon chain is there parallelly running in Ethereum. The merge was then for two systems finally came together, and proof of work was permanently replaced by proof of stake. Okay, so you can just see proof of stake has proof of work has been replaced by proof of stake. Okay, cool. Blockchain status continued by securing the proof of work. Okay, you can just read about it. Okay, sorry for that. You can just read about it everything in detail here. So that's it for today. We have just talked about what is merge. If you have more questions on merge, you can just write in the comment section. We'll solve that question, and you can just write about read about merge. There are various things which are coming in picture. Okay, there are something new that is coming in picture. We'll learn about it. It will take some time to adopt us the proof of stake algorithm. Okay, right. So this is a last English video, I think. Yeah, this is the last English video we are going to create in this YouTube channel. So upcoming videos which are giving to our project videos will be on a Hindi language. Okay, so हम हिंदी यूज़ करेंगे, हम हिंदी में अगले वीडियो बनाने वाले, तो आप अगले वीडियोस देखना पसंद करेंगे और आपको अच्छे से समझ में आएगा कि हम सॉलिडिटी पे प्रोजेक्ट्स कैसे बनाते हैं. सो वी आर बी यूजिंग सॉलिडिटी. ओके, हम सॉलिडिटी यूज़ करेंगे जहाँ पे हम डिफरेंट तरीके के प्रोजेक्ट बनाएंगे, और हम प्रोजेक्ट्स में बनाएंगे क्राउड फंडिंग, हम प्रोजेक्ट्स में बनाएंगे लॉटरी एप्लीकेशन, और हम प्रोजेक्ट में बनाएंगे पब्लिक इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, पब्लिक इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइजर जैसी डिसेंट्रलाइज एप्लीकेशन. और उसी के साथ हम अब हमारे एडवांस सॉलिडिटी वर्जन को और एडवांस करने वाले हैं, जिसमें हम हार्ड हैट, ट्रफल और ये सारी चीज़ें यूज़ करने वाले हैं. तो that's it guys, that's it for today. We'll just I'm just trying to change the language from English to Hindi, so it will take some time, and upcoming videos will be on Hindi language. Okay, right, this is the announcement which are I going to do, which I have done in this video. Okay, right, cool, take care and bye bye.